Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this Audi Q7. So from any screen, click the nav. You've got here your rotary control, country, town and zip. So zip obviously meaning postcode, an Americanism there. So we'll click on town and zip. And then it's the rotary control, which is really good. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. And then we need to go to numbers, which is down here. Select the numbers. 5 and PR50, we're PR54. So click onto PR54. And then we need the street. We're Chorley Road. So as soon as I put the H in it, let's see. Oh, there we go. It's defaulted to Chorley Road, and end entry. And you see there it's defaulted to start route guidance. Click start route guidance.
Your route is being calculated.
Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Audi Q7. So from any screen here, you can, if you click setup there, you've got time, setup, settings in the top right hand corner. So that corresponds to that button there, and then you've got Bluetooth in the bottom right hand corner, which corresponds to this button. So we'll click Bluetooth, and there you see we can dial up and down. Bluetooth, you see that's on. If you're having any trouble setting, make sure, actually I'll leave that back. If you're having any trouble, make sure that there's a tick next to on. So navigate down to bonded devices, click on bonded devices. You see there that's my phone there. So if I click on my phone, you've got the option to delete device. Click delete device. Are you sure you want to delete the device? It's gone to no. Turn the selector onto yes, delete. That's it. Okay, so I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 plate Audi Q7. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then, let's see if it comes up there first. We may have to go into the settings. Right, so click telephone. Search for a new mobile phone there. Select. It's looking for a phone. Taking its time. Hands-free's come up there. That's probably a vehicle going by. The reason it's taking its time here is my phone has been paired to this vehicle today, and I've just deleted it, so I've probably confused the system. Should perhaps have switched the vehicle off and back on again before I tried to do this. Barry's iPhone, so that it's come up. Click select. Click hands-free. It's connecting. Accept pin 8712. Click yes. So we now have to type in 8712. Click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Sadly, I won't be using this again. John will probably commandeer the keys off me straight away, so I'll click don't allow there. That's it connected.